I agree with your point on beaching your skis. It's like taking a sander to the bottom of your ski. Buying anchor is the best investment you'll make. I agree. Now, couple things to that. Kawasaki's are gel coated. Gel coat fiberglass is the most resilient combo that you can have, bar none. Next on that list is the CM Tech because it's an acrylic sheet. There's no paint. There's zero paint on your Sea-Doo. Zero paint. I challenge you to go find paint and you let me know. And that does not include the ink used in stickers. All right? Actual paint. There's zero paint. All right? Even the engine is plasma coated. So anyways, with that being said, let's go back since we're not talking about the Cowie thing yet. Okay. So with that being said, the CM Tech is actually really is pretty resilient to scratches and sand and things like that. It will dull and mar the surface after a while. Or if you get a good, something really digs in or takes a chip out or something like that. So sadly, that's gonna happen. But sadly, Yamaha is the weakest of the three, and they're using an automotive grade paint. Base coat, clear coat, 3-stage paint, and it's like taking the hood of your car and dragging it up a beach. It's just rough. So I do suggest for everyone to purchase an anchor. I know last year we announced that the Sand Docker was the official anchor of the Watercraft Journal. I still am very satisfied with the product, although there's no more promotion that we're doing this year. I think it's a fantastic product. It's made in America. It's lightweight. It doesn't take up any room. Great product. I like small American businesses. I support small American business. Okay. So I vote with my dollar. Whether you do, that's up to you. But I support Sand Docker in that one. So anyhow, the other half of that is what a lot of people don't consider. And when I go on rides and I watch people leave like the sandbar, I just laugh. And I over exaggerate my moves so that people see what I'm doing. Is whenever we've beached or we've come up on a sandbar and I don't have an anchor because I'm an idiot and I forget it, I will drag the ski out into the water about waist deep. And if it's got a swim step, I'll hold the swim step. If it's got just a bond, just hold. If it doesn't have a swim step, I'll grab the bond rail and I will pull it out of the water and push it under and do this a few times. It looks like I'm making waves, like in a swimming pool. The purpose of that is that I am purging the jet pump. I am pushing whatever sediment, sand, rocks, or whatever out of the stator. The stator is the portion of the jet pump with all the little, all the little veins, all the little blades in it. Okay. Because all your rocks and all that kind of stuff likes to get stuck in there if it makes it past the impeller. So I make a big show of me doing that. I don't say anything, but I just do it. All right. And the reason why is because so many people don't. And when you park your ski on a beach like that, you have tide, even if it's on a lake. Water's coming in, water's coming out. And in that water, there's sand and silt and debris and pebbles and rocks and shells and bottle caps and all this kind of crap. And I see so many people push their ski off the sandbar, fire it up, and sit there and idle. And it's just rah, 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 rah. It's a freaking rock tumbler. It's just grinding the crap out of their blade. And they go, what happened? It's because they don't consider it. So it's a twofold thing of don't beat your ski. Yeah, hull integrity, 100%. Number two, pump integrity. All right. I have to lean on that one. So Henry, thank you for the super chat. Appreciate the support. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.